Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm going to do a walkthrough video of our brand new 2024 Bennington S. This is a new boat for Bennington. Awesome new design. As you can see, we have the 80% cutout. Cool detailing in here. We got the carbon with the gray interior. Got the cool cup holders here. You can put like your phone down here. Super cool. Does have the table, of course. Long bench seats on this 22-foot boat. Tons of storage up front. Really cool new captain's chairs. Got the cool soft touch with the Simtex combination material. Comfortable, really nice, comfortable design, ergonomic on the captain's chair. Coming over here on the helm, new helm for this year. Got the little sport console here. Got the kicker with the Simrad built in. Phone charger, phone holder, and then another phone holder with the optional charger there. Really cool, sleek setup. Awesome soft touch right there. Of course, 10-foot bimini. And then because this is the radius seat in the back, you got the nice long bench seats again with the 80% cutout, cup holders. Really cool boat. The exterior of this boat, I got some pictures coming for you, is smoky granite with silver. Awesome boat, guys. New design, really cool. Come and check this boat out. It's here at the store at MarineMax with lots of other Benningtons, lots in stock. It's going to be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005.